You ever wonder how they get those handles? People they become doctors and psychiatrists and lawyers and such, and all kinds of ESQ behind. I had an aunt that used to say that I was an ESQ. What did she know? What did she know? She probably knew more about me than I'll ever know. People say horse people are kind of nuts, but I've always found them rather stabled. Naked as a jaybird in this flop house I am, scheming for a way out. Iron bars taste like rust on my tongue. Locked doors him a hum of doubt. I ain't loco, doc, just misled. No mama, hand to cool the dread. No pop to swing the leather belt. Just Monday night's bright shame I felt. Half-time streaking, glory bound across the 50, bare and crowned. By stadium lights, a flash of sin. The crowd roared, "Unholy!" They roared, "Unclean!" On national television. What did they know? The goal lines glow, the referees show. They said it was verboten, wild and wrong. Here's where the righteous drag the long, gone free. This cage they built so neat. Keep telling the good doctor, calm and sweet. God sewed this birthday suit himself, you see. He stitched the stars to skin like me. But the doc just nods and writes slow and deep. I swear he's nuts, his thoughts don't sleep like mine do. He's the crazy one, counting my sins like beads, each one a pearl of proof against the air I breathe. He doesn't know the flare of being bare beneath the moon, the itch of the bolt to howl and croon. Can't get out of here, the walls press close. My jaybird wings just a phantom ghost. Against the brick, the lock clicks tight. I scheme inside the dying light. A way out, sharp and bright and thin. Maybe next time the doc walks in. I just got over my addiction to chocolate, marshmallow, and nuts. If I'm honest, it was a rocky road. I suppose I ought to play something. Maybe not. For some reason my wrist is aching today. Maybe that's because it got broken. Ain't working. Maybe next time in a few minutes.